Hey everyone, Jason here with Midwest Hearth once again. Just a quick short video this morning to show how to hook up our Midwest Hearth speed control to a standard fireplace blower. So on most of your blowers you're going to have with your plug, whether it's grounded or not, two wires, a white and a black, and on the grounded ones you're going to have the green ground. And with the speed control here, I get some instructions which simply reiterate what I'll be speaking about here shortly. The knob, the actual speed control, and a mounting nut. So for the purpose of this video, we're just going to show you real quick how to hook this up. So on Midwest Hearth speed control, there are two wires, black and white. On the speed control, these colors do not matter, nor does the orientation of which way you hook them up. So on the wiring for the blower, we are simply only going to deal with the black wire. So take off the wire nut. So you've got the black wire, and basically what we're going to do with the speed control is interrupt the flow of electricity through that one single black wire. So we're going to hook up one of the speed control wires on this side. Again, it doesn't matter which wire from the speed control. We're going to hook up the other wire from the speed control to the other side of the black wire. So as you can see, we have simply interrupted the black wire from the power cord to the blower with the speed control. And that is all it takes.